guys! And welcome to my channel. Marami kong nare-receive na request.
Uy, Kajea! Quickbooks tutorial naman dyan, oh.
So, ngayon, ginawa ko na siya. Eto na siya. Para hindi na kayo maghintay ng pagkatagal-tagal. So, ngayon, didiscuss natin what is Quickbooks Online, what are the different version ng Quickbooks Online, what does Quickbooks Online look like, and how does it work. So, yon. So, kung gusto nyo ang mga topic na to, please keep on watching until the end. Do not skip para wala kang ma-miss na tips and tricks na i-share ko throughout the video. So without further ado, let's get started! Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, I'm Kajea, Virtual Assistant, Executive Assistant, Bookkeeper, Accountant. So kahit anong work pinapasok ko, basta't online, kasi online work is amazing! Channel na to, didiscuss natin more on online work, tips and tricks, and mga success stories. So kung gusto nyo ang mga topic na yon, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell para wala kayong ma-miss na videos na upload ko in the future. So I think marami na sa inyo ang familiar na sa Quickbooks Online and siguro yung iba hindi pa. So ano nga ba talaga ang Quickbooks Online? Quickbooks Online is a cloud-based accounting software developed by Intuit. So, this is very popular sa USA, pero ginagamit din siya sa ibang parte ng mundo. Pero karamihan ng gumagamit talaga sa QuickBooks Online taga USA. Okay? So, QuickBooks Online help us bilang mga bookkeeper or accountant to record, sort, and store financial transactions ng mga client natin in one place. Yes, so dyan natin i-record lahat ng financial transaction ng mga client natin para makapag-prepare tayo ng financial report para sa kanila at the end of the month or on a weekly basis or on a yearly basis. Okay? So, in the future, your client might ask you which version of QuickBooks Online is right for them. Meron tayong 3 to 4 version ng QuickBooks Online. So, first dyan is yung Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and kung nasa US naman yung client mo, merong QuickBooks Advanced. Etong mga version na to is pinabayaran mo sila or ng client mo on a monthly basis. So, yung Simple Start, para siya sa mga business na maliliit lang. So, kung yung business ng client mo, nag-start pa lang at gusto niyang gamitin ng QuickBooks Online, then you can suggest na Simple Start muna. So, isang user lang yan, plus yung accountant na i-invite niya. Okay? Sa Simple Start, you can track income and expenses, send custom invoices and codes. You can also connect your bank. Yun yung tinatawag nating bank feed. And you can track your VAT. Sa Essentials, kung halimbawa naman more than 2 yung user na gagamit ng QuickBooks. So, I would suggest na Essentials yung piliin mo para sa client mo. So, sa Essentials, ganun din, makakapag-track ka din ng income and expenses, makakapag-send ka din ng custom invoices and codes, connect your bank, track your VAT, and you can manage your employees. Meron siyang multi-currency, and up to 3 users yung pwedeng gumamit ng QuickBooks Online plus your accountant. Okay, so meron din naman tayong plus. Ito naman yung recommended to kung more than 5 users ang gagamit and kung gusto mong mag-track ng inventory. So kung mag-track ng inventory ng project and i-manage yung mga budget ng mga clients mo. So plus yung gagamitin natin. So, yun yung tatlong version ng QuickBooks Online. So, monthly mo siyang babayaran and kung halimbawa hindi ka pa decided ano bang version ng QuickBooks Online na pipilian mo, then you can start muna sa 30-day trial. So, free siya for 30 days and then after 30 days, then you can decide kung ano ba yung pipiliin mong version. And anytime, you can downgrade or upgrade your subscription dito sa QuickBooks Online. So, sino ba yung nagbabayad ng subscription ng QuickBooks Online? It really depends. So, pwede mo siyang i-include sa rate mo or sa contract mo sa client mo, or pwede rin naman na yung client mo mismo yung nagbabayad ng subscription nila. Ang maganda kasi dito, kung ikaw yung nagbabayad ng subscription ng Quickbooks Online ng mga clients mo, meron tong affiliate na magkakaroon ka ng discount once na mag-add ka ng panibagong subscription under sa current subscription mo. So, kung halimbawa, ang simple start $8 per month. So, pwede mong i-bill yung $8 per month sa client mo, pero ang totoo niyan, ang binabayaran mo lang is, for example, may 20% discount, so magkano lang yung babayaran mo. So, may additional income ka sa pagbayad ng subscription ng mga client mo. Pero kung gusto mo naman ay si client mo ang magbabayad, no worries at all. Okay? So, what does Quickbooks Online look like? So, ganito siya. So, as you can see, makikita mo dito yung company name, which is Long for Success Event Planning. So, this is a sample company. So, once na mag-create ka ng Quickbooks Online mo, pwede mo ma-access yung sample company nila, and you can try there how to upload bank statement, how to create sales invoice, lahat yan pwede mong gawin sa sample company ng Quickbooks Online. Okay? So, on the left side, makikita nyo dyan may new. So, when you click on that, meron diyang customers, suppliers, employees, and other. So, sa invoice, sa customers, nandiyan lahat related sa sales mo. So, invoice, kapag nag-receive ka ng payment, yung code, pwede kayong mag-adjust ng code, yung sales receipt, refund receipt, delayed credit, and charge. Okay? So, same din sa, kung meron tayong income, meron din tayong mga expenses. So, dito mo makikita yung expense, yung check, yung bill, pay bills, purchase order, credit ng credit card, and supplier. Okay? Tapos meron din tayong employees and timesheet. Okay? And then may other is you can create bank deposit, transfer, journal entry, statement, inventory, and pay down credit. Okay? So, dyan natin makikita yung mga to sa new. Etong new icon na to is a quick way para makreate mo yung mga ito makikita mo dito yung mga invoices, mga expense, etc. Okay? So, yan yun. So, as you can see, meron din tayong dashboard. Sa dashboard, makikita mo ito na mismo yung getting things done, business overview, and makikita mo rito yung setup guide, and then meron din dyan shortcuts, bank account. So, you can hide this, or since this is very confidential, you can hide it and then turn i-turn on mo yung privacy para naka-hide siya. Okay? So, meron din tayong business overview. So, business overview, makikita mo naman dyan yung profit and loss, yung expenses mo, yung invoices mo, and yung sales. So, if you want to hide this, okay lang din. Just click on this, and that's it. So, if you want to hide yung navigation bar dito sa left side, you can click on this 3 line. Click mo lang yan, and then mawawala na siya, and mas malawak na yung magiging view mo. Okay? And then, as you can see, meron din tayo ditong help. So, dyan ka pwedeng mag-type ng mga keywords or topics na related sa question mo, and makikita mo yung mga answer dyan. Okay? Meron din tayo ditong search button. Itong search button na to is makikita mo dyan yung mga recent transactions mo. So, kung ano yung huli mong ginawa or recent na update sa Quickbooks Online mo is dito mo makikita. So, pwede ka rin naman mag-advanced search. And then, sa advanced search, makikita mo yung all transactions. At pag clinic mo yung drop-down, makikita mo dyan yung iba't ibang klase ng transactions na pwede mong search. And then, meron tayong pagpipilian din amount, display name, reference, etc. And then, pwede mo ring lagyan ng condition, contains, equals, does not contain, or not equal. So, you can enter and then hit mo lang yung search, and lalabas na yung lahat ng result na makikita ni Quickbooks Online. Okay? And then, meron tayo dito yung notification bell. So, lahat ng notification dyan mo makikita. And meron din tayo dito yung settings icon. So, pag clinic mo yan, makikita mo, meron tayong 3 main column dyan, which is your company, your list, the tools, and your profile. Okay? Sa your company, sa accounting settings, pwede mo dyan i-set up yung company mo. So, you can update your company name, So, pwede ka mag-create ng logo, and then i-update yung contact information, yung address, and then meron din dyan tab for sales, kung gusto mong i-modify yung sales mo, yung invoices mo, and then meron din tayo dyang expenses tab, advanced tab, so lahat dyan makikita mo. So, meron dyan time tracking, kung gusto mong i-on and off, okay lang, and then kung may multi-currency ka, pwede mo ding i-turn on yan, okay? So, balik tayo dito sa settings, and sa list, makikita mo naman dyan yung lahat ng list, products and services, so kung dyan ka pwedeng mag-create ng products and ng mga services mo, and then, balik tayo sa settings, so, sa under your company, meron din dyang chart of accounts. So, dyan mo pwedeng i-access yung chart of accounts and mag-create ng panibagong chart of accounts or gamitin yung existing chart of accounts sa Quickbooks. So, okay? Sa list, makikita natin dyan lahat ng products and services, recurrent transactions, currencies. Sa tools, makikita naman natin dyan yung pag-i-import ng data sa bank transaction mo, etc. Meron din tayong reconcile, budgeting, and so on. Okay? And then, sa huli, makikita mo naman yung profile mo. So, when you click on that, makikita mo yung pangalan mo, and then you can manage or you can sign out. So, that's it. Okay? So, balik tayo dito sa left navigation bar. Okay? So, sa banking, makikita natin dyan lahat ng bank na meron si client mo. So, pwede ka dyang, so, kung ilang bank yung meron si client mo, makikita mo yan dyan. And, also, you can upload and pwede kang mag-link ng bank account dito. Okay? Meron din tayo ditong rules. And, ito yung mga bank rules. So, for example, meron kang mga recurrent transaction na napakadami and gusto mo mag-create na lang ng rule para next time na magka-categorize ka is naka-rule na siya. So, pwede mo siyang automatic na mare-record na siya or pwede mong i-review tsaka mo i-approve. Okay? And then, meron din tayo ditong sales. So, sa sales, makikita natin dyan lahat ng sales, invoices, customers, and yung products and services. Okay? Sa expenses naman, ganun din. So, dyan mo makikita lahat ng expenses ng company. And then, suppliers. So, list ng suppliers na meron yung company na yun. Okay? So, kung ang client mo nagtatrack ng mga project, so, makikita mo rin dito yung mga different project ni client mo. Okay? Meron tayo ditong employees and meron tayo ditong reports kung saan makikita mo yung iba't ibang klase ng reports from balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow. So, pwede ka rin mag-star dyan kung ano yung mga favorite na report na madalas mong puntahan. So, kung ang gusto mo ay profit and loss by month, balance sheet, and cash flow lang, pwede naman. Pwede mo silang i-star para once na i-click mo yung report, you can access them easily. Okay? So, meron din tayo ditong taxes. Ito is related to sa tax. So, kung meron tax, si client mo, dito mo rin siya makikita at mamamanage at mai-edit, okay? Meron tayong mileage dito kung saan pwede ka mag-enter ng mileage ng client mo. Sa accounting, makikita mo dyan yung chart of accounts and then reconcile. So, sa reconcile is dyan, etong pagre-reconcile dapat ginagawa on a monthly basis kasi para malaman mo na walang nami-miss na transaction and tama ba yung nasa Quickbooks versus sa bank statement na hawak mo, okay? And then, the last one is, meron tayong My Accountants. Dito sa My Accountant is yung tab kung saan ini-invite tayo ng client natin para ma-access itong Quickbooks Online na to. So, guys, ang view na ito ay for user view. So, halimbawa, ikaw yung may-ari ng account. So, this is the way it looks. So, ganito po ang itsura ng Quickbooks. Pero kung ikaw ay in-invite as an accountant ng isang client sa kanyang Quickbooks Online account, then same din naman, meron lang pagkakaiba and makikita mo lang yung accountant tools sa tabi nitong company name. So, that's it. I hope this video gives you a walkthrough sa Quickbooks Online. How does it look like? What is it? And how does it work? So, if you like this video, please give it a like. And If you want more QuickBooks tutorial, please comment down below and we will do more sa darating na araw. So, see you on my next video. Bye!